Ladies and gentlemen, this is Lions Den with another news and commentary. This woman right here, Debra Hunter, did the most disgusting thing. See, Heather Reed was at a Pier 1 Imports in Jacksonville, Florida. But you know what Debra Hunter did was so disgusting? She coughs at her. That's right, literally cough at her. Because Heather Reed told her about her kids. You know, her kids running around the store, and one of them wanted to use the bathroom. She tried to do the right thing, and she coughed at a cancer patient. So I'm going to go ahead and play this, and I'm going to continue the rest of my commentary.
Do you really need this? What do you want to do? Post it for you? How about that? Good. I think I'll get real close to you and cough on you then. How's that? Oh, asshole. Wow. No way. Let's go.
So, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Of course, we found out that the woman that the woman that has been coughed had, like I said, has cancer, has a brain tumor. All she did was she was trying to tell the woman that, you know, her child need to use the bathroom because the kids, first of all, are running around the store unattended. Now you just cough at a woman who has a brain tumor, who's a cancer patient. And remember, she didn't even wear a mask. Now, this video is for all the white people, because I know they've been watching our videos. They've been watching Seiji Hito's videos, my videos, of course, Tarina Reigns' videos. And y'all pick and choose which videos you want to comment on, right? So, by the way, the woman that coughed, who's a cancer patient, is a white woman. So how do you feel now that a white woman coughed on another white woman who is a cancer patient? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Since you guys want to have something to say on like black people's videos, I want you guys to respond to this video, because the thing of it is that she is a cancer patient. And I believe she's a mother of 10, if I'm not mistaken. So, and she's a fellow white woman. So, you know, is it a white on white crime? Looks to me that it is. And why was she now Florida, the state of Florida has they're on the rise with COVID-19. Basically, they're the substation of COVID-19. So, and she didn't have a mask on and cough at a cancer patient who does have a mask on to protect herself. And I know for a fact that she went through chemo and radiation, so her whole body already trying to survive as it is. And all of a sudden, you have her want to cough on a cancer patient who's a mother of 10. Wow, good job. But I want all the white people that watch my videos, tell me what you guys think about that. To the All Lives Matter, to the White Lives Matter, I want to know how you feel about this. All because she record what happened, that her kids is wandering around the store unattended. And then all of a sudden, now she wants to be big and bad, and she didn't even have a mask on and decided to cough a cancer patient. Which, by the way, you felt that, oh, well, you know, we won't have, well, you know, when it comes to white privilege, oh, we don't have to wear a mask. I can just walk out whenever I feel like it. You know, reopen it, and this is why the state of Florida is having new records of COVID-19 cases right now. Because of ignorance like that. So That's all I'm gonna say about this video. And I would love to hear white people's reactions, because since they want to comment on my videos anyway, I want to hear what your reaction will be about this story. So y'all let me know what you think about this. Like, click, subscribe, and remember to click the notification bell for all the news and commentary. With that being said, this is Lions Den signing off. Deuces.